Alright guys, Justin got a lot of stuff done today. I was busy running errands and hanging out with my little boy and stuff. But he got a bunch of work done on the Silverado. He's got the one Group 34 Odyssey mounted up in its factory location. He's got this dual battery kit opened up. What's the company? It's National Luna 12 volt split charging system. This is the one that all the overlanders like. You know, it seems kind of chintzy to me, you know. You get parts like this. But it's the one all the guys use, you know. It works like this, so that way you got your regular setup, and then say you run that dead when you're hanging out, you got your auxiliary battery to switch to start your rig. So that's kind of why the overlanders don't just hook them in series, so they always have a fully charged battery to go to. So yeah, he's got this one in the factory spot, and then over here we're gonna have to put the passenger side battery where the filter went. Here's it. He's building up a tray for it right now. Bottom base plate. There's this Odyssey 3400 PC 1500. These are my favorite. These Group 34s. They're a little bit bigger than an Optima, and they pack a lot of a punch. I really like them. But alright guys, fan noise. Alright, in the morning we'll pick up right on this. You know, I don't want to make this one half video of just him installing half the battery kit. And then we'll finish this all up tomorrow and button up this video. And then also, after that, we got to take those twin turbos we pulled off of the pre-runner Tacoma, or Toyota, off the 2JZ, and take those up to our friends at Fair Lady Z Motors up garage in University Place, Tacoma. A friend of theirs is doing like an OEM build Supra, I'm pretty sure, and he needs those turbos so we can rebuild them and put them all on super nice. So we're taking them all those pieces to that, and then we're going single turbo, so it's a win-win. It's only like 200 bucks, you know, but a little bit of money towards the build. So yeah, I'll pick up on this in the morning, guys, and we'll get the rest of the battery kit installed here. all finished up working on the Silverado today, guys. We got the National Luna dual battery 12-volt split charging system installed with the ODYSSEY dual PC 1500 group 35 batteries. You know, we like ODYSSEYs because you don't have no problems with them like Optima. If you leave an Optima alone, even if it's brand new for a month, they're almost impossible to recharge. You really got to jolt them really hard to get them to charge back up. And we're just sick of it. I mean, Optima, something happened to them, unfortunately. So buy ODYSSEY, guys. ODYSSEY or Excess Power are what we like here. So we got those installed, and the kit was kind of chintzy. Like the little ends and stuff and battery fittings. We're used to using bigger, like 1/0 lugs and stuff, or like diesel pickups and your full size stuff. But they want you to use small stuff and like 4-gauge wire. But it is just a, you know, a gas Silverado, and you know, it doesn't need much voltage to charge the extra battery. The way this setup is, it will, you know, your main battery will charge up and it'll sense it, and then it'll flip the little regulator switch thing over, and then it'll charge, or the solenoid, excuse me, I should be using the right terms here, and then it'll send power over to the auxiliary battery and charge it up, and then bounce in between. So that way, if you're ever out, you know, doing something, camping or whatever, and you run your main battery dead, you can switch it over and you can charge up your main battery to start your rig back up. You know, I'm used to running dual battery systems and like a diesel pickup where it's a 24-volt system and you just link them in series. So that's a new thing to do for me, but that's pretty cool. So moving on from that, guys, we're waiting for the hydraulic line, or it's Olympia Hydraulics that's making the brake lines for us. He's just waiting for the material to get in, and then he can go ahead and press the ends on and make our lines for us. And then all we have to do is bleed the brake system. You know, like I said earlier, we have to put the caliper bolts on tomorrow and then get those on there, and then all we have to do is attach the brake lines, fill up the brake system with brake fluid and bleed it, and then we got to fill up the power steering system as well and bleed that. And then we're ready for a test drive. But then one last thing, we have to put the exhaust back on, because the previous owner, when he did the leaf sprung to put the shackles in, they just cut the exhaust out, put the shackles in, and re-welded the section back on. So we're going to do the same thing, is re-weld that section in there, because after we're done with it, it's good. We're going to either build a full exhaust system for Rick, or we're going to send it off to an exhaust shop, because, you know, that's what they do. It should only take them a couple hours. They'll have crimped bends and stuff, but it's not a high performance engine, so it really doesn't matter on this setup. But it depends what Rick wants us to do. It's up to him. But hey, thanks for watching today, guys. Thanks for your constant support, is being here, as always. Thank you for being here. And then please hit the bell up there so you guys get notifications when I upload a video. And please drop a comment. Let us know what you think of the dual battery install and the ODYSSEYs and that National Luna dual battery kit. But hey, thanks, guys. We'll catch you in the next episode here. If you guys like what we do, check us out at cougarhousegarage.com. Check us out at Facebook.com/cougarhousegarage. And we are Cougar House Garage on Instagram, guys. Follow along with all the projects there. We'll catch you in the next episode.